see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
She has 4 hours.
Sunday. It's Sunday, still dancing. Yeah, back to school tomorrow. Good afternoon, guys. 2 o'clock na pala. Ayan, pick up ko lang kay Holly sa dance class. Yeah, Sunday. Kahit school holiday, well, bukas back to school na 2 weeks na holiday. Pero yung dance class, walang holiday. Kahit Sunday may practice sila kasi malapit na ang kanilang comp. Wait lang, Baba. How was your Sunday dance?
Good.
Good. 2 hours. Is it perfect now? Not yet. Still a lot to do. Hindi kasi kami pwedeng manood ng ano nila, yung training nila. So mapapanood talaga namin sa like concert, comp. Umuul lang. Punta muna kami ng Kmart. Kanina hindi ko natas. Tumawag kasi yung isang nanay na kasama niya sa dance. So mamaya ko na lang sabihin yung chichika ko. Chichika hindi. Yung mga ganap niya sa dance.
I'm getting my mini dance for my mini fridge.
Where is it? I don't see any leggings. That's socks. Ng Kmart. Dito naman kami sa Spotlight. Dito naman kami sa Coast. Come on.
Put your
Why not,
name down
guys?
for the wood raffle. You won it. Look, just drive it straight in, mate.
Remember yesterday, Baba?
Yeah, you won the wood raffle. Well done, Bob.
Say I got luck more
I
than
know.
you. You always do me, right?
No, Zach. And lucky daddy put your name. Nadaanan namin siya. I know, kasabay namin siya. Ayan na yung wood na panalunan ni Holly sa raffle. And kanina hindi na ako nakapag-vlog sa Coast kasi nga ang daming tao. Kasi back to school tomorrow, so marami na nag-grocery kahit Sunday. So unang pinunta namin is Kmart.
And I got these mini brands from my mini fridge. Can you get that for me, please?
Yan, dito, ayan,
Mini
para
fridge.
dito.
So I need.
Mag-unboxing ka na. Alright. So ito yung nabili ko sa Coles. Snacks. Para bukas. More eggs. And napanalunan yun ni Holly yung wood.
I won the raffle.
Yeah, yung raffle kahapon sa kung saan naglaro yung mga bata. Nilagay ni dyan yung pangalan ni Holly for a change kasi ang lagi yung nilalagay si Kuya o kaya si...
We needed wood anyway.
Yes. So si Sam. Hi po. And nag-bake pala akong banana kasi apple, pink lady, cucumber kasi gusto kong gawin ulit yung sa ipudo na salad.
From the fridge.
Then, pambaon-baon, meron tayong smiley frites. Then, gypsy ham.
Here they are.
And bacon bites kasi magpa-fried rice ako tonight for dinner.
How much were they?
What's that? This one?
$12.
Yeah, $12.
Those were
Kita niyo
first
sana yung reaction of this. What, is it goodbye?
Nah.
Yes.
What a waste for a fridge. That's you can't even eat. You can buy food with that.
Ang aking
More
ano,
broccoli.
broccoli. And
You already have that.
carrots and peas for my fried rice.
Wait, is that what having fried rice with peas and carrots?
Oats.
Yes.
Eggs and oats.
Well, I will separate some for
Oats,
yeah.
Yeah, and egg.
And egg.
Yes.
And
Scrambled. Is that for tonight?
yes, pork chop and
That
fried
for
rice. Yes.
Mom, it's one of my favorite drinks.
Wait, when are we having filet mignon?
Huh?
This is
Ah,
one of
the
my favorite
Filipino
drinks.
tomorrow. Mashed potato. Put this one in the fridge first.
Break your fridge.
Fridge, because I'm gonna cook that one.
There's no rain.
Oh, all right, put it here. And tuna. Yung sa anong kinuha ko hindi yung oil, ito sa brine, in brine. Oreo wafer. Tapos ito naman Oreo chocolate, yung may coated na chocolate. That's enough. Finish that one and we're not gonna buy that one because you've been like naubos na. And original na biscuit na Oreo.
My next one. Not very.
Persimmons. Gusto ni Holly. So, dalawa lang kinukuha ko kasi mabilis siyang matinog. Mas gusto ko siya kinakain na matigas. You want this one? So, dalawa lang kinuha ko. Maple syrup. Ito yung binili ko. Yung malaki na. And sardines na Brunswick ang brand. Nasa spring water, hindi sa oil.
I got another magnet.
Ang kinuha ko. And crushed pineapple. Then, kumuha ko ng white chocolate and milk chocolate para sa baking.
Mom, look at this.
What's that?
We can open and close. It's pizza. But I don't like pizza.
Fruit strings. Another Oreo wafer.
I got kombucha. I don't know what that is. Kombucha.
Huh?
Kombucha.
Kombucha. Doritos and Arnott's na biscuits. So, yan yung mga nakuha natin today.
I got soy sauce.
Oh. And eto, nag-bake pala ako ng banana bread. Pambaon-baon. Sa square ko siya. Sa baking pa na maliit na square. Then, punta kami ng Spotlight, di ba? Ito yung binili ko sa Spotlight.
I got lobster. I got lobster.
Ay, tinisipon na tayo. Eto, bumili ako ng
Last one.
dalawa nitong mini loaf pan.
Sushi.
Parang maliit lang na parang bake-bake tayo ng banana. Kasi ito, she loves to bake.
Banana bread.
Yeah, so, malilit ang gagawin namin para mabaon-baon. So,
This is
yan.
a
Yan
list.
yung mga nabili. Ayusin ko lang kasi yung ref namin, puno kasi nung si Jan, kasama ko si Jan. Nag-grocery kami, di ba? Ayusin ko lang yung ref. Ano na? What you collected?
I got the lollipop, the ramon. I
And
got
eto, kagabi, nag-dinner pala kami sa shed. And hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Eto, inugasan ko na naman yung mga baso, kutsara. So, dadalhin yan doon. So, ayusin ko lang ang ating kalat dito kasi magluluto ako ng pork chop and fried rice. So, may iba-ibang flavor pala to. Kaya pala din itong ginawa ko. Hi, Han! Ayun, tapos na nilang ilagay yung wood sa maliit na shed. Where you going? Here's
Say hi, mate. Whoops.
So, mayroon dito
Say dad, did you want that?
cinnamon crumble.
Can I take one?
And then, what? Regular. Pero gusto ko magawa ng frosting para
T-shirt.
lagyan tong frost or
What's
icing.
your shake?
Tapos dito, mayroon tayong crunch. Chocolate crunch. Naglagay akong chocolate crunch. Wala kasi akong milk chocolate. Kaya, yung crunch na chocolate dito, chinap ko. Tapos linagay ko dito sa dalawa. Tapos dito, gusto kong gumawa ng cream cheese frosting. So, nilabas ko to. And, yung Dubai chocolate. Kasi meron ako dito, yung... You gonna feed the horse now?
Bye-bye.
Oh, okay, honey. Are you gonna take long? Can you get my
What?
mince for spring roll? I left the spring roll in the fridge. And then I have the wrapper there as well. In the fridge as well. Dinala ko pala nung kagabi yung yung spring rolls na babalutin ko. Hindi ko nabalot kasi nagchika-chika. Yan. So yeah, yan yung gusto kong gawin. Maglalagay ng iba-ibang flavor na frosting. Baba, come on, let's try this one. Ayan na. Wash your hands, please.
Wait, are they different?
No, the same, but I use different flour this time.
Okay, what one's the
So we're gonna try the original. How we gonna? I need excuse me. Yun lang. Sana okay ang pagtanggal natin.
I'll make a first bite.
Yan yung itsura niya, guys. Yan. And i-break natin. Uy, gusto ko yung may chunky-chunky banana. Uy, fluffy. Oh.
You have half, I have half. Okay. No, but no, not bad. So good.
And then, nagbawas akong konting asukal. Trinay ko lang. Okay naman. Is it good? Is it the sweet is alright? Because I less the sugar. And next time gagawa ko maple syrup naman. Kahit to brown sugar.
Let me go still try this one. That one.
I wanna put frosting. So, dito ang sarap! Tapos, pag-bake ko nito, What? What? You wanna try this one? This is the cinnamon crumble. Sa top. Yan, shim. Dalawa-dalawang flavor lang to kasi nga, para matry ko yung mga iba pang flavors. Ayan. Ayan yung cinnamon crumbles. Kung makikita nyo, parang may crumbs dyan. Ayan siya. Okay. Ang dito na lang pa. Can see it? Okay. Cheers. Let's try the crumbles. Daddy will love this.
I bet this is Dad's favorite.
Any banana bread Daddy likes.
Most fruit that my dad likes is bananas.
Banana. Yun lang kinakain niya halos
And
na
then his second's mango.
Apple. Yeah. First mango, banana, apple. So the rest, later, pag may time ako, gawa ko ng frosting. That's mom. Then, bago ko pala binake yung banana bread, binake ko muna yung banana. binay ko siya. Hindi ko nag-vlog. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi kanina. Paubos na. So, dapat. Kaya dalawa yung binili kong ganon. Para isang gawaan lang. Kasi mabilis maubos ang banana bread namin pag gumagawa si Holly o ako. This is good. Hindi siya ganun katamis. And fluffy and moist. Okay. Sir! Come on! Try the banana, nak! Ayan, naubos na. Try natin yung may crunch.
Is it good?
Yes.
Very good.
Kami. Wala ka na namang damit. Ganun sila guys, hindi sila nagdadamit dito sa bahay. Ito yung my crunch. Ito ba? Ito yung nilagay ko eh. Not crunch, sorry. Picnic. Ito. I put...
Sure.
What? Smells good.
What if you didn't like it?
That's my detergent.
No,
Yung
it's
perfume.
not. That's
Is
the
that
one I told
John
you.
Paul?
Yeah.
Yung
That's
perfume.
the old one.
Ayan. Sana nakita yung chocolate. Ay, hindi masyado, but may chocolate yun. Ayan. Ayan. Yung dark brown dyan.
As I said, I don't think.
Come on. You hold it. And tell them what do you think.
Yeah, good. I don't like the nuts in it though.
You don't like that?
Nuts.
Nuts? Ayaw nilang may nuts. But how about the banana? Kaya hindi ako gumagawa ng walnuts. May walnuts. Masarap sana yun. Kaso sila, hindi nila kakainin. Tapos ako lang naman kakain. Hinubad niyan na.
Ah, good. That's good.
Why you don't want to wear t-shirts? Why?
It's fine. I don't know.
But you like chocolate.
Yeah, that chocolate good. Put more.
Chocolate chips.
More.
Ayaw niya may peanuts. So, dalawa lang naman to. So, akin na lang. Ayaw niya may peanuts. Oh, yan. Parang may malit yan na. Ang dami ko nang nakain. Kung hindi pa ako kumakain, ito yung first kain ko today. 4:30 na. 4:25. Okay, God. So, mayroon akong square. Mayroon tayo yung loaf pan. Makakagawa tayo maraming banana bread. Baba, come here. This. Remove it here, please. What this? This is magnet. So why it's in here? Come on, remove this one. Clean up here, please.
Where'd you put it? To check the list.
Meron ba nga sila dito? Meron pa sila, oh.
Oh, we still have that.
Okay, so lucky didn't go. Lucky we didn't get the
Popcorn.
meron pa akong milky mango. Ni ano ba, ni Crystal go. So you still have here. You finish this first. I'll just put some of the chips here.
Put them on this.
Like this one. Oh, diba? Isa pa lang napuno na. Okay, I'm just gonna put this one. So we'll finish this first. I'll put some of Oreo. So yun pala yung kanina, nung pagtika ko kay Hal, tumawag yung isang mama na ka-dance ni Holly. Nagtatanungan kami ng kung naka-order na. Kasi kailangan namin mag-order na naman ng bagong sapatos, yung tan. Meron na siya yung sa Jazz, yung black. So, kailangan ko mag-order ng tan. meron silang display concert. Then, sa Millicent, a week after. So, sunod-sunod na yung dance nila. Like, yung comp. Then, July, meron ulit sila. Kaya, feeling namin nung nag-usap kayo yung tumawag sa akin na baka madagdagan yung practice nila, like, maybe nga, yun nga, weekend. Kasi ngayon, Sunday, di ba? Nag 2 hours. Buti nga si Holly, hindi ko siya pinasok sa solo kasi meron din mga solo na halos 5 hours sila nasa studio na nagpa-practice and kailangan mong i-rent yung studio. So, buti na lang hindi ko muna inano si Holly sa solo kasi punong-puno na ang ang week ni Holly, like 4 na araw nasa dance siya, dapat 5. Kinancel ko nga yung aerial, yung Thursday, kinancel ko kasi para sa netball training niya. So, halos 5 times a week. So, 6 times a week si Holly. Kasi pag Saturday, laro niya ng netball. Kaya parang si Holly wala siyang holiday. Kasi nagda-dance lesson pa rin siya. Pero na-enjoy niya naman. Masaya naman siya kasi nakikita niya yung mga friends niya doon. And dito din, sa farm, naglalaro siya. Alam niyo yun. Tapos, yung friends niya, nakikita niya sila sa netball. Pag Saturday. So, yung ka-netball na iba ni Holly, classmate niya rin sa dance. Then, classmate niya rin sa school yung iba. So, sila, halos 6 times a week, nagkikita-kita sila. Hindi sila nagsasawa sa isa't isa. Like kahapon, si Holly, nagstay pa doon kasi nga, yung mga friends niya. Okay, guys. Ay, meron pang isa. Buti lang chinet ko. Kaya puno na to. Ayan na. Ready natin to. Baba, you didn't get the roll-ups. You just get the string one. Well, you got a lot here. You have plenty of snacks now. Eto, hindi ko muna ito buksan. Eto, kasi meron pa. Lagay ko ito sa ibang... eto wala. So, maglalagay tayo nito dito. Okay, magluluto na after nito. Kasi ang oras, ay, ang bilis. Baba, put the apples there. Oh, dami pa nga fruits. Oh. Yun pa yung fruit, hindi pa nila naubos yung mandarin. And eto, may pomegranate tayo ditong dalawa. And yung banana, dinadamihan ko talaga kasi, like this one, ito, iba-banana bread ko na yan. Si kuya pa naman maarte sa banana. Gusto niya yung bagong bili. Okay, magluto na ako muna. So, what are you drinking?
My H2 juice.
Yung ano yan, yung
It's
pag-grocery natin,
sparkly drink.
yung pag-grocery natin kasama si Jan. Na yun na yung kinuha niyang drink. Alright.
I like it.
Okay. Bago ako magluto ng dinner, i-bake ko muna to sa oven for like 10 to 12 minutes until mag-brown siya. Ilagay ko na siya. Preheat ko na yung oven. Dito na si Jan. Tapos na siya mag-feed ng horse. Baba, turn down please, Baba. Ipatry natin to kay Johnny Boy.
What is that?
Banana bread, hon. Look,
Who made it?
me.
Or Holly?
Gusto niya kasi lagi si Oli yung gumawa ng banana bread niya. I have the cinnamon sugar crumble here.
Overall.
Yeah, and then this is only the plain, and then I'm gonna make frosting. So I'm just... Huh? Kinuha niya. Kinuha niya. Good? No. So I'm gonna... Yeah, this is just sample.
I just bought some more wood.
More wood? We just got wood. That's not enough. To who?
Tommy had some for sale at the front of his place.
Did you buy it? Is it gummy?
Right now.
Red gum? Tommy, where'd he
They
get?
used to sell it to buy for his tin for his shed.
Oh, okay. How much?
$450.
400? Is it a lot? A lot? Oh, that's...
Same price as ours.
Ah, okay. Binili niya raw yung wood doon kay Tommy. Yung si Tommy, siya yung nag-fishing kay Jan. And nagpapagawa kasi siya ng ng pagola. And yung pagbenta niya noon, ibibili niya raw ng materials. Ay, ang cute. Nakita niya doon daw sa kalsada for sale. So sabi niya siya nang bibili. Well done, Johnny B. Okay guys, magluto na ako. Hindi pa ako nakapagluto. Si Kuya gutom na. And meron pala ako ditong minarinate kagabi na pork na may kalamansi. Ay, meron kasi akong kalamansi na bili sa Asian store nung Wednesday ko ito pinick up. Ayan. Eto ba? Hinog na nga. Yung kalamansi ko dyan, ready na rin siya. Pero ayoko siyang i-pick kasi gusto ko may bunga yung puno ko. So, eto, hinog na. Binili ko $3. Isang bag. So, nag-marinate ako ng pork. Then mamaya, babalot akong spring rolls. Di ba? Ang dami kong gagawin. Dala ito ni Jan galing sa farm. Kasi hindi ko nagawa kahapon. Okay, so ang natira is 6. Mamaya magbe-bake ulit ako. Alright guys, gawin ko na to. Para may dinner na. Si Kuya gusto niya garlic rice lang, walang veggies. Si Sak gusto niya lahat. May veggies, may bacon, may eggs. Okay guys. Ito din, i-marinate ko din to sa may kalamansi siguro, tapos patis. Tapos pa ako magluto. And ginawa ko yung kinakain namin ni Holly sa Ippudo Ramen, sa BGC. Ayan yung cucumber salad. And pork chop, fried rice with veggies. Tingnan mo kay Kuya. Yan yung kanya. Na walang veggies. And pork steak and more cucumber salad. Come on, Baba. Tulog na si Holly. Tulog na si Holly. Pagod siya.
Stuff on it?
What do you mean?
No,
That's the one.
calamansi.
No, this is the one that you have. Calamansi.
What are them? Are they
Pork chop.
boneless?
No, it's not. There's only a little bone.
Can you get me a spoon, please?
Tulog siya dito sa sala. Nakaligo na yun. Ayan, PJs na siya. Guys, kain na kami.
I ate. Thanks, Mum. I ate too much of that before.
Tapos na siyang kumain. I-try niya yung cinnamon. Pero gusto niya lagyan ng cream. Yeah. Good?
Beautiful.
It's only I only have one. The classic one. Yeah. Isa na lang kasi yung cinnamon. What you gonna do? Heat it up. And lalagyan ng cream.
Vanilla.
Yeah. Oh, you love it, my love.
This is what's
Mum.
Mm-hmm.
No, no.
Oh my God, that's a lot. Gusto niya talaga laging may cream. Buti na walang ice cream.
You having some of those, Zach?
That is ice cream.
Oh my God, mag-ice cream sila. Ayan, oh.
What's this? Food hot.
See, told you.
Is it?
Oh, it's not? Is it good? Gusto niya talaga may... It's like, you make it like sticky date pudding.
Got a bit warm, cold cream, warm.
What's this one? No, I'm not.
That's the
It's the cinnamon.
cinnamon one.
Yeah.
Cinnamon one.
Do you want me to make more? Yeah, gusto niya. Meron na ako dun yung binake ko.
Cool.
It's good. So fluffy.
Pretty good, Jack.
Yes. So kami kumain guys. Nag-fried rice ako tonight. Hindi ako nag-shirataki rice. So nakadalawang servings na ganito. And si Kuya iba yung rice niya. Yung garlic rice lang. So si Sak ang dami niyang nakain. And actually lahat. Si Jan, si Holly. How many you had, Baba? How many times you get from
4
here?
or 5.
Yeah, ang dami niyang nakain. Ginising namin siya. And how was it? This one.
That was good.
Yes. Ayan, ubos.
And guys, look at my fridge now.
Ah, yan na pala yung fridge niya. Oh. Magkukolect siya. So far, yan yung nakokolect niyang mga mini.
Brands. And then I got my
Sa
freezer.
freezer niya may lobster and what else? Bacon.
Bacon.
So, yan na yung vlog. And bukas si Jan maaga kasi si Mary, the girly horse, she's going to the trainer. Then, si Storm, babalik bukas. So, magsuswap lang sila. Right, Baba? Storm is coming tomorrow. So, maaga si Jan bukas. Alis. 2.5 hours ang drive papunta dun sa trainer ni Mary. What's the real name of Mary?
Ocean Bliss.
Yes. And Storm is?
Ocean Storm.
Yeah. So, yan yung pangalan ng horse ng dalawa. So, yeah. Oh, hindi ko pa. Tapos maglinis lang ako, guys. Si Jan gusto niya. I know. The best. Buti na lang. We're not gonna miss ipudo cucumber salad kasi Mommy knows how to
Make it.
Alright, guys. So, yun na yung vlog. Tomorrow is first day of school.
I like history.
So, you like school. You just want to have more holiday. Well, actually, wala siya masyadong holiday kasi nga, nagda-dance class pa siya. Because of your dance class, you still have dance class even school holiday. So, yeah. And hindi kami nagbakasyon, hindi kami umalis kasi nga kailangan sa dance, dahil sa dance niya at saka, of course, sa mga iba pang bagay. Kaya, wala kami, sa bahay lang kami. Hindi kami nag-holiday this time. Usually, nag-holiday kami. But, guys, I will end the vlog.
Thanks for watching our vlog. Please subscribe. Oh, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
Good night, guys. Maghuhugas na me. And matutulog na sila. Magpaplansya pa ako.
Mom doesn't really have to put any takeaways because we kind of finished.
Yeah, well, not take away, to keep. Eto, meron pang konti.
Corte.